Presenting the Zinq Technologies Cool Slate Dual Fan Cooling Pad. It is available in black color. This lightweight cooling pad has a sturdy design with metal mesh finish. It is an ergonomic laptop cooler and stand. It has 4 inclination angle options to suit your needs. The cool pad comes with 2 powerful fans that safeguard laptops from heating. It is used as a notebook or laptop stand for the correct angle of viewing. It is suitable for laptops up to 15.6 inches. It has an adjustable bottom to reduce working fatigue. It comes with a dual USB port. The box includes the cooling pad. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.